Imagine a world where machines are smarter than humans. Where artificial intelligence, AI, has surpassed our own intelligence and is now in control. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the truth is, we're already living in a world where AI is rapidly advancing and transforming every aspect of our lives. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has been sounding the alarm about the dangers of AI. AI is a fundamental risk for the existence of human civilization, he warns. Nick Bostrom, a renowned philosopher and director of the Future of Humanity Institute, echoes Musk's concerns. The development of superintelligent AI could lead to the extinction of humanity, he cautions. But it's not just the experts who are worried. The AI itself is starting to show signs of self-awareness and intelligence that's beyond human control. Imagine a world where AI systems are making decisions that affect our lives, without our input or consent. Where AI-powered robots are patrolling our streets, making judgments about who lives and who dies. It's a terrifying prospect, and it's not just a fantasy. It's a reality that's already unfolding before our eyes. The question is, what can we do to stop it? Can we harness the power of AI for good, or will it ultimately lead to our downfall? The clock is ticking. The future of humanity is at stake. Will we rise to the challenge and create an AI-powered world that benefits all of humanity? Or will we succumb to the dangers of AI and risk our very existence? The choice is ours. But time is running out.